Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Thank you guys for tuning in. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe to the channel for more content. Without any further ado, let's just get into it. Alright guys, so this trading strategy in particular is often referred to as SMC, which is short for smart money concepts. This is a trading strategy that seeks to align with institutional investors such as banks or hedge funds by analyzing the market structure, the liquidity and imbalances rather than just traditional retail indicators. SMC focuses on wide price moves driven by liquidity and institutional flow rather than just the traditional support and resistance or some other indicators like the RSI or EMAs. It is a more complex structural approach that requires patience and practice to master. Just hope you guys took some notes. So this is the monthly time frame. As you can see, over this period over here, the market has been selling. So one who had to trade this market over here had to be, in short positions. So as you can see, the market has been selling, and retail traders would actually, want to get more sales out of the market. So as you can see, the market has been selling. It went up, went down, went up, went down. And as the traders, anticipated sell, they started selling, and they started selling, and the market went down, but it went back up again. They started selling a bit more, and the market actually went up. So yeah, this is just a quick run through of what actually happens, with the retail traders. The retail traders actually, get manipulated quite often within the market, within the foreign exchange market. And a way to identify this is to actually, see how or what the market is actually doing. Just look at the market structure. So taking a look over here, guys, the market actually was in a ranging, period. The market broke out. I call this a fake out. It's actually called a fake out. Yes, the market gave us a fake out. Now this is where retail traders were panicking. They wanted to buy. It actually gave us a retest, and it actually went up and down again, straight down again, and it caught the retail traders off guard. So even at the support level, this is where the retail traders would actually draw their support, and the market, as they were putting in more sales, the market actually went up. So what's actually going on over here, guys, is actually quite simple. The market ranges, it accumulates, it manipulates, and it distributes. So this is AMD, accumulation, manipulation, distribution. So even over here, you can see quite clearly what's actually happening. And what the retail traders don't actually understand is the fact that chasing the market won't make you profitable as you think it is. You have to just analyze, just look at the market structure. Because if everybody traded like the retail trader, everybody would be profitable. Let's be honest, everybody will be profitable. So this is why 90% of traders lose 90% of their capital within 90 days. This is the cause of that, because the banks actually trade against you guys. So this is one way to identify that, by tracking down these specific movements and trading against the retail trader. We're not actually trading against the market makers. We're actually trying to become profitable. So even over here, same thing. Actually convinced traders that we are going for a buy. We just broke out. What did it do? We did a fake out, went back down again. And as traders thought we are about to sell, they started selling, and the market is actually going up. Basic, guys. This is actually basic momentum of the market. You understand? This is actually the basis of the market. The dollar index is actually a summary of how the dollar is actually doing, and my bias is that the dollar is going to be a lot stronger. So we have to be anticipating buys. We have to be taking buys in order to become profitable within this market. So these are my contacts, guys. 066 318 2165. Forex Cartel, that's the family, that's the fam. So going back to the bigger time frame, the yearly time frame, as you can see, from 1967 up until today, we have been in a consolidation, and the very same thing has been happening on a much bigger time frame. We have a consolidation, a fake out, and the actual movement. But overall, this is a consolidation. It even happens during the consolidation on a higher time frame. So yes, if you guys want to learn more about this, feel free to contact me on WhatsApp. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, like, and comment if you guys actually want more content, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.